The 2026 BMW Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a bold statement on wheels. A perfect fusion of futuristic design, advanced technology, and unparalleled luxury. Sakar Reviews is here to give you an exclusive deep dive into this extraordinary creation that's turning heads all over the world. BMW has always been a brand associated with precision engineering, luxury interiors, and driving pleasure, but with this they've taken their vision far beyond the road, creating a role in luxury residence that redefines what it means to travel in style. Asterisk from the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 BMW Motorhome, it's impossible not to be awestruck by its sheer presence. The exterior is a masterpiece of modern automotive design, blending the aerodynamic elegance of a premium touring car with the commanding stance of a luxury coach. The sweeping curves, sculpted body lines, and signature BMW grille instantly announce its pedigree, while futuristic LED lighting and a streamlined silhouette give it a spaceship-like aura. Every detail seems meticulously thought out, from the flush-fitted windows to the seamless integration of side cameras in place of conventional mirrors. It's a design that not only looks stunning but also enhances aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, proving that form and function can coexist beautifully. Asterisk step inside, and you are immediately transported into a world that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The cabin greets you with soft ambient lighting in BMW's signature blue, casting a warm, inviting glow across an interior finished in the finest materials. Plush leather seats with diamond stitching invite you to sink in, while the panoramic glass roof floods the space with natural light and offers breathtaking views of your This isn't just a place to sit, it's a place to live, relax, and be inspired by the journey. Asterisk the driver's cockpit is a showcase of BMW's cutting-edge technology. A fully digital instrument cluster displays every detail you need with crisp clarity, while a massive central infotainment screen offers navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls all at your fingertips. Voice command integration, AI-driven driver assistance, and adaptive cruise control make every drive effortless. Whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or cruising along the open highway, it's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying every moment along the way. Asterisk the living area is designed with both comfort and versatility in mind. A sleek, marble finish kitchen comes equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even a compact convection oven. Ample counter space makes meal preparation a pleasure, while hidden storage compartments ensure that everything stays neat and organized. The dining area transforms easily into a lounge space, perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or winding down with friends in the evening. Asterisk the bedroom is nothing short of a luxury retreat. A king-size bed with premium memory foam mattress guarantees restful nights, while clever storage solutions ensure you can bring along everything you need without feeling cramped. Large side windows allow you to wake up to the sight of a sunrise over the ocean or a mountain vista, turning each day into an unforgettable experience. A built-in entertainment system means you can enjoy your favorite shows or music in complete comfort, no matter where you are. The bathroom is another highlight, boasting a spa-like design with a rainfall shower, sleek vanity, and high-end fixtures. This isn't the cramped washroom you might expect in a traditional RV, it's a fully equipped, stylish space that feels right at home in a 5-star hotel. Heated flooring, anti-fog mirrors, and touch-activated lighting are just a few of the thoughtful touches that make this motorhome's bathroom stand out from the rest. Asterisk BMW has also taken sustainability seriously with the 2026 Motorhome. Hybrid powertrain option combines efficient electric motors with a powerful combustion engine, giving you both eco-friendly travel and the confidence to tackle long journeys without compromise. Integrated solar panels on the roof provide supplemental power for onboard systems, reducing your reliance on external hookups. Advanced energy management systems ensure that every watt of power is used efficiently, allowing you to stay off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. Asterisk safety, as always with BMW, is a top priority. The 2026 Motorhome comes equipped with a full suite of advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, 360-degree camera views, and adaptive braking. Whether you're maneuvering through tight city streets or reversing into a scenic campsite, you'll always have the confidence that your motorhome is looking out for you. Asterisk But perhaps the most remarkable thing about the 2026 BMW Motorhome, the way it transforms travel itself. No longer is a road trip just about the destination, it's about the entire experience. Every mile is a pleasure, every stop an opportunity to relax in unparalleled comfort, whether you're parked by a serene lake, high in the mountains, or along a bustling coastline. This motorhome allows you to bring the comforts of home with you while enjoying the freedom of the open road. Say Car Reviews believes that the 2026 BMW Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. It's for those who demand the very best, who want every journey to feel like a luxury vacation, and who believe that adventure should never come at the expense of comfort. With its breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising luxury, this is the future of motorhome travel, and BMW has made it a reality today. If I write this same article in a more viral, cinematic storytelling style, it will catch even more attention on YouTube. Do you want me to do that next?